This is INFINIX Zero 30, and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So to start, you will need to have your SIM card ready, as well as some kind of injection tool like this one. Now take your phone, take off its phone case, look underneath the device and find the SIM card slot. Put the injection tool into this hole, then push it in. Once the SIM card tray is slotted out, take it out all the way. Now align your SIM card with the slot you would like to put it in. Once the SIM card is mounted onto this rack or slot, just return your SIM card tray back inside your phone. Now wait anywhere between, 10 to 30 seconds for your SIM card to be initialized. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.